Wait, you actually can get dream item from inflation, though.
Huh? What? But how? You said because the inflation, every rare item price is rising so quickly.
Exactly. You can do something called investment.
Investment?
Yeah, investment. Let me explain it to you. Investment is the allocation of money or resources with the expectation of generating future income, profit, or capital appreciation. It involves purchasing assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate, which are expected to increase in value over time, or provide regular income through dividends or interest payments. The goal of investing is to grow wealth and achieve long-term financial objectives.
So, what should I do with this investment thing?
For example, you can buy Angel Wing today and sell it in the right time.
So just buy and wait?
Yes, but no. You still should grind. And why I use Angel Wing, for example, it's because it's already time-tested.
What do you mean by time-tested?
You know, Angel Wing price will always rise in Halloween for Groganoth event.
All right, thanks, dude. I will buy Angel Wing right away.
Wait! I use Angel Wing just for an example. And he's gone.
Many months later.
Tim! Where are you lately? I didn't see you online for months.
Oh, hi, John. I've been busy lately. How you do?
I'm doing great. Thank you for the knowledge you gave me. Remember when you said I should invest on Angel Wings?
I never said you should invest on that item. I just tell you how investment works.
Yeah, whatever. The Angel Wings that I bought for 130 world locks each a few months ago, now worth 1,100 each. It's like getting 9 times worth of world locks. I feel so rich now. Now I can afford to buy this.
Damn, that's cool, man. You know, you can do that in real life too, right?
Wait, really?
Yeah, man. You can do investment by buying gold, property, stocks, etc. Just do your own research.
That's a great info, Tim. Thank you so much, bro. I will invest right away.
This video is only educational purpose. And if you want to learn more about investment or inflation, just do your own research.